everybody, and welcome to my channel today. Today we're going to clean out these two raised beds right here. Small 4x4 raised beds. So we plant our tomato plants and our squash this year. So, that ain't further waiting. Let's get started. A lot in here to move, so if we can get all this stuff out of, clean out this bed really good. Got a lot of crabgrass and all growing in here. I don't know how well it's going to do, so how do we get it out? Take out all these vines. Readjust the camera a little bit. Take out all these vines. Get all these vines and stuff out of here, the old tomato plants. Got a lot of okra to pull out. Raised bed. Cages I made to put in here. Trellis to hold up. Old tomato plant left in here, laying around in here. Get this stuff cleaned out with some good space. Look a lot better. Now, pull these okra stalks up. Get this out of the way. Oh, I didn't know they'd be in the ground that deep. That one is in there. Dang. There. What a root. Now, we can get started making this look a little bit better. This grass out. This crabgrass growing. Hate cleaning these things out. Just ordered me some 7-gallon grow bags to grow all my peppers in. Got 10 of them coming, and we'll try them out. I've been wanting to buy some for years. Now I'm gonna try them out. I can see why. It's probably gonna be better than this. This is a pain. I have to do this every year. All the crabgrass I have in this yard that keeps growing comes up everywhere. Takes over everything. So it might be better to grow them in grow bags. We'll soon find out though. This year. All right, we got half of it cleaned out now. See if we can't get the rest of it done. Look as good as that side does. Spread this out. Tomato plants out of the greenhouse. Definitely get some of these planted in the ground here. These gonna get stringy looking. This is all crazy. Going wild. These are all Better Boy hybrid tomatoes. So that's what my mother picked out. She wanted me to grow. Put 4 of them in here. We'll put 2 on either side right now. Get these in here. Dig it down to the ground right here. See how good they do. Hope don't have no problem with them. They look pretty good. Healthy. Get all these in here and then we'll fertilize them. Hold this up a bit, I don't know. Alright. 2 over here and 2 over there. Get these in. Good so far. We got 3 of them in. We get this other one in here, then we can put some I was gonna build a trellis go across the middle, but I guess not. Not right now. I'll wait just a little bit. All right, got those 4 planted in there. Put one of these cages I made out of this fence. Got this little cage right here I made. I'm gonna put this around. This one right here. Build one for some of these others. Gonna be a little short. I've only got 2. Right now, this old rusty hot wire will do. This one to hold it up. Make sure. That'll work for right now for support. See if we get some more. Well, I'm going to be short on one of them. I have to make another one. Alright, we got this and bend around in full circle. Let's see how good it works. On this one right here. Right. Got 3 of them down. Alright, now I've got all 4 of them planted in. Had to stop because I didn't have enough cages to go around. Those will stay, they'll be okay for right now. I'm gonna make some bigger ones like that out of some fence that I have. Larger ones, then we'll go from there. Whatever we have to do to keep them from falling over. But well, I guess that's about it for right now. Have to fertilize these things with some dry amendment fertilizers and they'll be fine. They'll grow. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.